All right, y'all. This your boy Mont PBM or PBM, however you want to call me, or whatever you want to call me. All right, y'all. I just wanted to show y'all. I just went and picked up the Surface Duo. It's the today is from Best Buy. It's the 128 gig, 6 gigabytes of RAM. It's the Glacier White, obviously, and I just wanted to do an unboxing of it. Made in China on there. Okay. Yeah, it has a Qualcomm Snapdragon. I think it's the 855 processor. Yeah. So here's the box. Boom. Runs Android, obviously. A Microsoft Windows phone. Or Microsoft phone that runs Android. All right. Let me turn my light on. All right, here we go. Let me pull out my knife. Boom. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy. Did I open it? I don't know if it opened. Oh, I don't know. Guess we'll find out. Let's see. Looks like my knife might need a little sharpening. And that's off. I'm gonna check it out, man, and see how I like it. If I don't like it, then I'm most likely gonna return it. But we'll see. Come on out of there, baby. Come on, baby. Come on. You can do it. There we go. All right, here we go. What we got? We got the Surface Duo. This model looks amazing. It's a little heavy. Heavier than what I expected. We're going to set that to the side. Let's move this over here. Move that there. Move that there. Boom. And of course, we already know what we got. Got it. Surface Duo bumper. What is that? Specially designed to protect your device. Oh, okay. They put the bumper in there. Okay, my bad. Had to squint my eyes a little bit at that. Yeah, I know I'm getting older, man. I need glasses probably. Here's the Surface Duo bumper. And what I will do is, I've seen how they put the bumper on, so I'm going to try to put it on camera. And go from there. Okay, it just shows you how to do it, I believe. Yep. Nothing else up in there, I don't think. Okay, so we got that. Put that to the side. Looks like we got the power brick, I assume. Now, I've been looking to get this for a while, man, just to try it out and see if I like it, man. And I finally went ahead and pulled the trigger, man. So there we go. It's the power brick, and this is an 18-watt power brick. Okay, set that to the side. And we already know what this is. The books, the little instructions and all that great stuff. We're going to set that to the side too. All right, just a second. All right, looks like we have the cable. Yep, we have the cable here, and this cable looks like it's pretty long. I mean, I can relate to this. But anyways, there's the cable. And nothing else in the box. So we're going to set all this to the side. And we are going to show you the Duo. We'll set that over there, set that there. Yeah, then we're going to put that on. Okay, we definitely going to put the bumper on. Here's the Duo. And just by looking at it, when I saw it on TV, on the internet, on YouTube, and all those other good things. Set that to the side. I looked at this thing and was like, oh man, this thing is amazing. This thing it feels so premium for real. Like everybody been saying, it feels so premium. It's amazing. Wow. This thing, I've never felt a tablet phone that was built this good. This is the best looking and best built phone I've ever seen. Tablet phone. Seriously, even better than the what you call that, the Galaxy Z Fold, Galaxy Fold or whatever. It is much better than that in my opinion. And let's open this thing up. Bam. Oh my goodness. Look how thin. This thing is so. Wait, pause. This phone right here, tablet phone, is so thin. Oh my goodness. Like if you can see that. Just oh wow, this thing is so thin. Alright. Yeah, there you go. Y'all seen me. I didn't expect to get on camera, but it's cool. I love the camera. The camera loves me. As we already know, it folds all the way back to where you can use it as a phone. Hold up. It's a big phone, pretty big phone. But, you know, I'm good with it. I got nice size hands. Ladies, you already know. Well, not ladies, my wife. She knows. Try to get me in trouble, man. All right, here we go. Let me put the bumper on, then I'm going to turn this thing on because, yeah, I want the bumper on. All right, let me see. Let me make sure I know how it goes first. I think it goes like that. Yep, like that. Okay, so we're going to put the bumper on. Here we go. It says peel this off, obviously. Boom. And we're going to take this. I'm going to set it on there like that. And it's some adhesive that sticks it to the side of the phone. Okay, I believe that should be it. Should be on there pretty good. I just keep pushing it down, today, just to make sure it's on there good. Now let's put the other part on. And here's the other part. I assume the other part just goes like that. Let's see. I thought I was supposed to show you which way it goes on. Do it like, see, now we're struggling with this part, but we got that part. Well, I'm struggling with it. Let me make sure. I think this is how it goes. My guess is yes. I don't see any other. Yeah, I guess it really don't matter, I don't think. Well, let's see. Looks like it's on up pretty good. Was gonna buy it used, but I really don't like using people's stuff, man, like that. I would have to super clean this mug, and I was like, nah, I'm just get it new, man. And I know they coming out with another one soon, but being that I bought this, I can trade that mug in and get money off the next one, or pass this down to my wife or somebody. For kids, if they want it, one of them, or just keep it, one of them. I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, that looks good. Yeah, it looks good to me. Yep. All right, there we go. Oh my goodness, I ain't lying about the way it closes. Wow, that do sound so good. Oh my goodness. Man, I'm over here going bananas on it. Let me see. I love this. Wait a minute, did I do something wrong? What is this? Oh no, that's SIM card. Okay, I'm like, man, did I do anything wrong? All right, let's see if we can turn this thing on. Might need some juice. Okay, there you go. I just want you to see it. I ain't gonna do nothing to it. Really right now I'm gonna, just cut it on and just show you the screen. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set it up. Man. That's in phone mode. This screen is nice size. I thought the bezels was gonna really bother me too. I wish they had lowered the bezels at least to about right there. That'd have been perfect. That'd have been more than enough. I'd have been perfectly happy with that. Just lowered it down there to the beginning of the top of that, where that is, like right up there. Just lower the bezels all the way across. And the same for here. Take it here, take it there, boom, all the way across. Boom, that'd have been perfect. Move that stuff up. Perfect. Nobody would have been complaining like that. It's all good. But yeah, there we go, man. This is the Surface Duo. And I will do a review on it. I'm going to check it out for a few days and tell you what I think about it. And decide, let you know if I'm what I decide, like if I'm going to keep it or not. I'm not sure yet. Paid a pretty penny for this. So it was on sale, so it ain't as much as it was. I mean, right now it's at $9.99. So not bad, but compared to where it was. So yeah, I'm gonna check it out, give y'all a little review on it, and let y'all know if I'm gonna keep it or not. Just by looking at it, I love the way this phone looks. This tablet phone looks. It looks amazing. It feels amazing in my hand. I'm telling you, this is the best well-made phone I've ever held and touched. I just touched the Galaxy Z Fold today and the new Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultras. I touched those today and touched an iPhone obviously too, but like this right here, by far the best built phone I've ever felt. No lie, no cap. For real. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna holler at y'all. I'll let y'all know what goes on, what happens, how it feels. Do I like it? The updates, or did the updates make it better, etc., etc. That's how it looked that way. Yeah, I'll let you know, man. Alright? I'll get back with y'all, man. Holler at y'all. Peace out.